From Airsplat. It's the Effin' Summer Edition mystery box. So I'm gonna unbox it. And one. EldoWoodlandAirsoft here. Guys, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of this package I just got from AirsoftMegastore. So, here it goes. It's a new kind of box, I guess. Alright. I got it all. All tape. Got the sides. Sorry, it's taking a second. I don't know if you can hear it in my voice, but I'm pretty sick. Had to stay home from school today, so I just got this box, so I was good. Do the unboxing. You just pull it out. Set the knife down. Paper. AirsoftMegastore warranty stuff. Condor tactical hat. I'll show you why I got that in a little bit. And a new smart charger. No. Alright, so I'm gonna unbox this really quick. I just got a new smart charger because I needed one. How to use crap. Bubble wrap, always fun. Alright, so let me get this hat. I got this hat because I don't have a vest or anything yet, but I do have this cool Airsplat patch and go nicely right on there. And it was only $6, so 6 or 7. So that's pretty much the reason. So I know it's a small unboxing, but I wanted to just get some videos going. So comment, thumbs up, and subscribe. Goodbye.